Boys and girls, Miss Hu is on page 383 of your iReady math book. And this one, we are going to do a common numerator and denominator assignment. So here's the problem. You have a grasshopper that weighs 0.02 of an ounce. A beetle weighs 0.8 of an ounce. Which weighs more? So I'm going to write down grasshopper. And I'm going to write down 2/100, 2/100 of an ounce. And I am going to write down beetle. And the beetle is 0.8 of an ounce. All right. So now, the first step, here's method 1. I can look at it. I'm like, oh my God, I don't know. Let's see. I need to see if 10 can go into 100 because the denominators are different. And so the next step is to see if the one smaller can go into the big one. Obviously, yes. 10 can go into 100 10 times. So I will leave this alone. Do not mess with this. So I'm going to multiply this by 10/10 because I know that I can change the denominator by 10 times 10. So look, 8 times 10 is going to give me 80. And 10 times 10, there are 2 zeros. It gives me 100. You see how I change it from here to there? And now you say you can compare. Yes. So the 0.8 is bigger than the 2/100. Okay? You see that? That's method 1. Method 2, I'm going to use the butterfly. I'm going to have the same problem, 100, 8/10. The butterfly means I take the 100 times the 8. That will give me 800, right? 8 times 100 gives me 800. And 2 times the 10 gives me 20, right? So yes, again, the 800 is bigger than the 20. All right, so that's method number 2. Now let's try method number 3. Now, here's another one that I want to see if you can actually understand this, okay? I look at the 8/10. Don't worry about the beetle, the grasshopper, and all that weight. I'm looking at the 8/10 as in money. This is 8/10, or this is read as 8/10. So if I were to write it in math, in dollar money, it's going to look like this, 8/10. Okay? Or I can say this is 8 dime or 80 cents. Okay, can you see that? That's 80 cents or 8/10. Now over here, look at this. This is going to be 200. That's 2 penny out of 100. So this is going to be written as 0.2. Look at that. So I'm changing this into decimals as well. So you can see that 80 cents is bigger than 2 pennies. So you see, again, this is bigger than that. Does that make sense? So I'm going to leave it there for you to copy, but I'm going to stop the video recording right now. But I'm going to leave it there for